Well, you're going to need 42 clients to actually hit $1 million a year, which is 83,000 a month. 42 times 2,000 a month is 84,000. What's up, guys? Frankie here. I want to just make you a quick video showing you exactly what it takes to build a seven-figure agency. And I wanted to play with this a little bit because a lot of times people, they see building this like really big agency as some like future kind of tense thing, but they don't understand like what actually has to be done today in the only moment you really have power in, which is the now. For those of you guys who don't know me already, by the way, my name is Frank Finn. Wrote this fancy book. Just sold a whole bunch on Amazon and also built 3 of my own agencies up to 100 plus clients and helped thousands of people. So let's say your goal is to make 1,000, and this is kind of irrelevant, but like whether you're going to work with plumbers, SEO, like, we could change this to, I don't know, I'll just change it for fun to plastic surgeons and Facebook ads. And what you do in here is you put in the inputs of like, hey, your service, like let's say you're charging $2,000 per month. And let's say typically, like for every 1 out of 5 surgeons you get on the phone, you close one of them. Typical lead to sales percentage. That means if you get like a lead in your email or your CRM, like how often do they actually request additional information? Let's say that number is at like 6%. Actually, typically with these kind of services, like 10 is more accurate, but let's call it 6%. And let's say you're paying as much as $20 a lead. Well, this will go and tell you what you actually need to hit 7 figures. So firstly, at this price point, I guess this should be, it's going to bother me if I do the center. There we go. We're going to put that left justified here, and here. So first of all, you're going to need 42 clients to actually hit $1 million a year, which is 83,000 a month. 42 times 2,000 a month is 84,000. Here's the total number of sales conversations. You're going to actually need 208 people. And you're going to need a total of 2,000 leads or 2,100 or so leads in your system. This is the thing that most people don't realize is you're going to need a new client about every 9 days. You're going to need a sales conversation like 4 of them a week. And you're going to need to put in 40 new leads into your system, which means if you're spending on ads, you're looking at about $800 that you got to put into the machine this week to give you 40 leads at $20 a lead. And that's a beautiful thing is if you get even just one client, for most of you guys, you're going to come out profitable. And you could spend $2,000 on ads this month, and you could spend up to $400 just to get a single sales conversation, right? So I built this tool just to kind of show you guys. Maybe I'll make a copy of this and make this publicly available. But I just want to show you guys, the idea is you take your big level goal, and it breaks it down to like, what do I got to do now? This week to actually hit this. And then, because if you're thinking about like, I got to get to $1 million, that may be this far off, distant, hard to reach goal. But if you focus on like, hey, I got to spend $800 or I got to get 40 leads in the machine so that I can get, 4 sales inquiries and one of those will convert to an actual paying client, like that's a doable goal. So then you can focus on something and actually reverse engineer it down to the numbers. Obviously, this doesn't cover like all the back end stuff, teams and fulfillment and all that. But I just want to show you guys something simple that like kind of just breaks that down. And, these numbers get even smaller if you're just trying to say get to 100,000 a year, which a lot of you guys I know are just trying to get to 10K a month and things like that. You don't necessarily have those big of goals. Like you literally just need 4 clients at this business model. If you have 4 clients paying you $2K a month, you're basically doing 100,000. That's like 8,000 a month times 12 months, which is 96,000. You're going to need 21 total sales conversations, and you're going to need 208 total leads in your system, which means you got to get 4 new leads this week, and that's really it. So like this is a super manageable thing with this business, but I just wanted to show you how the actual math works out. I'm going to put it back to a 7-figure agency. I hope that was helpful to you guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe.
Guys, if you like this video, you're also going to want to grab some free bonuses, which you can get at our website, Beyond Agency Profits. To make it easy for you, I've put the links to it in the description of this video, as well as pinned in the top comment. And we've got a couple of awesome things. This is what you'll get after you sign up. You get some of our best training, how we're closing clients over Loom videos, how we sometimes sign clients that is not a misprint for under $5 US, how to demonstrate your value in like amazing ways, trainings, how to have your clients write the best copy of your life, how we're closing without phone calls, campaigns that we've generated for clients that have done over $100,000, as well as scripts you can use to get conversations going with clients in under 10 minutes. All you got to simply do is go there enter your name and email address, and then this is what you'll see on the other side. So if that's interesting to you, make sure to click the links below, and I will see you on the other side.